Hey guys, I'm here with this awesome RC car today. Did another video with just kind of the insides of it or whatever, but wanted to show you the controller on this one. I kind of forgot on the last one. So you've got speed control right here on the controller, which is awesome, on, off, and then your alignment, and then of course your trigger to go forwards or backwards here, and then your turning here, which is gonna turn the wheel. So my helper's gonna drive it here for a second and just kind of keep it close to us for a second, but go ahead and give it some speed and stuff. Oh yeah. Yeah, you almost got it. Go ahead, bud. He talks. Thing's pretty quick, dude. You'll get it. Go stand behind the ramp. That way you can see the alignment of it. Gotta get it further away. Here we go. Bring it back here. There you go. Hit it. Just go for it. You'll get it. You'll get the hang of it. All right, spin it around or drive it around some so that people can see it actually performing. Turn the speed all the way up.
No, I don't.
Yeah, speed up. Come on. There you go. All right, pull it back down here. Drive it on the street for a second. Speedy so people can see it. Go. Go, George. There you go. Whoa, you almost got it. Fly it by me. You can hit the curb if you want. There you go. Hit it fast. I love the sound of the tires. All right, hit the curve. Yeah. Whoa! That's why I keep the plastic cover on it too, the clear one, so it doesn't scratch up the regular cover. But it would have been fine regardless. Definitely highly recommend this thing. It's awesome.
Fun, fun, fun.
Fun, 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 huh? Dude, it like floats over the grass. It's got such a good suspension on it.